If your credit score is low in the United States, you are not alone. Millions of Americans struggle every day because of bad credit. A low credit score can block loans, jobs, and major life opportunities. But today, you will learn exactly how to fix it step by step. In America, your credit score controls your financial future. Banks use it to decide if they trust you or not. A low score means higher interest rates or rejection. That's why fixing your credit is extremely important. The good news is that bad credit is not permanent. No matter how low your score is, it can be improved. You don't need to be rich to fix your credit. You only need the right strategy and discipline. Credit scores in the USA range from 300 to 850. Anything below 580 is considered poor credit. A score above 670 is good, and above 740 is excellent. Our goal is to move your score upward step by step. Bad credit does not happen overnight. Late payments are the biggest reason for low scores. High credit card balances damage your credit health. Collections and charge-offs make things even worse. The first step in fixing credit is awareness. You must face the problem instead of ignoring it. Understanding your credit gives you control. Control is the foundation of financial freedom. Every American can check their credit report for free. Use the official website annualcreditreport.com. This report shows everything affecting your score. Never skip this step when fixing credit. There are 3 major credit bureaus in the USA. Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion track your credit history. Each bureau may show different data. That's why checking all 3 is necessary. Credit reports often contain serious mistakes. These errors can lower your score without you knowing. Look for wrong balances or fake accounts. Even one error can drop your score badly. If you find an error, dispute it immediately. You can dispute online with the credit bureau. The process is simple and legal. Never ignore mistakes on your report. By law, bureaus have 30 days to investigate disputes. If they cannot verify the information, it must be removed. This law protects consumers like you. Many people see fast score improvements here. Payment history makes up 35% of your score. It is the most powerful credit factor. One late payment can hurt for years. On-time payments are critical. Is the easiest way to avoid late payments. Set it up for all your bills. Even minimum payments help your score. Consistency matters more than amount. Credit utilization shows how much credit you use. High usage makes lenders nervous. It signals financial stress. This factor affects 30% of your score. Always keep usage below 30%. Below 10% is even better. Pay balances instead of closing cards. Old accounts help your score. Collections can feel scary and stressful, but they don't destroy credit forever. You still have rights. Knowledge gives you control. Pay for delete is a smart negotiation strategy. You pay in exchange for removal. Always get written confirmation. Never trust verbal promises. Charge-offs seriously damage your credit, but they can still be settled. Settled looks better than unpaid. Action is always better than ignoring. After fixing negatives, add positives. Secured cards are great for rebuilding. They work like normal cards. Used correctly, they boost scores steadily. Credit builder loans help create payment history. On-time payments get reported. You save money while building credit. Great option for beginners. Authorized users benefit from good credit history. Choose someone responsible. Low balances are important. One account can help a lot. Every loan application creates a hard inquiry. Too many inquiries hurt your score. Apply only when necessary. Patience protects credit health. Avoid credit repair scams. No one can fix credit overnight. Instant results are fake promises. Real repair takes time. Credit repair takes time. Results usually appear in 3 to 6 months. Consistency beats speed. Stay disciplined. Track your score regularly. Use monitoring tools wisely. Small wins matter. Progress builds motivation. As credit improves, confidence grows. Stress begins to fade. Control returns to your life. This is empowerment. Good credit opens opportunities. Lower interest saves thousands. Approvals become easier. Life becomes smoother. Your past mistakes don't define you. Today's actions matter most. Anyone can rebuild credit. You can do this. If this video helped you, like it. Subscribe for more guides. Comment credit below. Support helps this channel grow. Your credit score is in your control. Smart choices create freedom. Start today, not tomorrow. Your comeback begins now.